the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve an equation involving logarithmic functions. All right, solving logarithmic functions involves the logarithm loop. If you are familiar with the logarithm loop, I know some teachers teach it like this. Basically what we're going to do, log is an exponent, so we're basically looking for an exponent. My base is a, so to rewrite this problem in exponential form, we're going to have let's try that again, a to the y is equal to x. So we followed a loop, starting at the base over to the answer to what we should get. So this is going to be a to the y is equal to x. All right. The natural logarithm loop, since the base is e on this one, we're going to get e followed along. So I'm going to get e to the y is equal to x. And what we will use this for is to help us as we're actually solving those logarithmic functions. So we'll rewrite it like this, and then we'll go ahead and work out the problems. All right, so let's try this one. We would like to solve for x. So what I'm going to do is use that logarithm loop, starting with the base over to my answer and then around. So if I rewrote this problem, it would be 3 to the second is equal to x plus 1, and I'll be trying to solve this for x. 3 to the second is equal to 9, so I'll get 9 equals x plus 1, and then we'll just subtract 1 from both sides, so x will equal 8, and that is all there is to it. All right, let's try number 10. We've got a natural logarithm this time, so what we're going to do is put a base of e here. Again, I'm going to start that loop, so we're going to start at the base, over to my answer, and then around to where the ln is. And then, so this, if I rewrote this problem, it's going to be e to the 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. Now you'll notice on this one, we're going to work this similar to when we were solving exponential functions. To get rid of, when we have an exponent and we would like to solve for it, we will, since there's an e, we'll take the natural log of both sides. And now we know that we can bump that power out front. So I'm going to have 2x plus 1 natural log of e is equal to natural log of 4. And then from here we know that the natural log of e is equal to 1. So I have 2x plus 1 equals natural log of 4. Then now from here, just solving for x, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So I'll have 2x equals the natural log of 4 minus 1. And then to get rid of the 2, we will just divide both sides by 2. So x will equal the natural log of 4 minus 1 all over 2. And again, we could grab our calculators and get an answer, but I'd like us to get into habit. If we have an L in our problem, there's no reason why we need to write it in as a decimal. So we're just going to leave it as an exact answer just like that. Now hopefully you can solve a problem that has a logarithmic function in it.